Hi everybody, Anna here with Belly Bliss Catering. I am out in the backyard and it's a beautiful day, super sunny in LA as usual, which I'm very grateful for. So today I want to show you guys how I put together flowers from the local market, Trader Joe's. I love Trader Joe's because the prices are super competitive and it's just easy to get to. Like these, for example, this bunch, which is a mixed greens, $2.99. This right here, berries, $7.99. So I think this was the priciest item that I got. $2.99. And the spray roses is $4.99. So 5, 6, 7, 15. All in all, I spent $17. And I'm going to show you the pretty arrangement we can make out of Trader Joe's flowers for 17 bucks. Sometimes, you know, if it doesn't look as good, you pull some out and insert them somewhere else. That's the key, is just constant rearranging. And it just really depends on what looks good to you. That looks beautiful to me, but we can keep going. We can add more greens to give it more height back here. Now that looks gorgeous. I love that. And there you have it, $17 from Trader Joe's. A quick trip, and you have this beautiful arrangement.